Hello, thank you for joining me once again. This is the fifth career path under Beruf rund um das Auto on the Straßenverkehr, that is transport and logistics. This is the first and to the fourth career is being introduced in previous videos. I will encourage you to watch them. The fifth career path that I'll be introducing in this video is FAHRZEUGLACKIERER. That is vehicle painter. The duration for this vocational training is 3 years, and it is a recognized training occupation. It is anerkannte Ausbildung. What is the job description? What do? They do all kinds of body work with oil, and they repair paint damage and prepare surfaces, for example by sanding and priming. If necessary, design cars by lettering them with motifs. Where do they find employment? They find employment in specialist vehicle painting workshops, in manufacturing companies, that is car manufacturing companies, in paint factory paint shops, in mechanical and plant engineering. They also disassemble and assemble and work fully on computer controlled painting for cars and hydraulic components or systems, and use vehicle glazing. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do need a certificate. You need your Abschluss, your Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife, Fachhochschulreife, and your Mittelbildungsabschluss as well. That is your diploma, your university qualification certificate, your technical college qualification certificate, your intermediate education qualification as well. The chances of getting into this without a certificate is very slim. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The sixth career path in this area of specialization is Karosserie und Fahrzeugbau-Mechaniker, that is body work and vehicle construction mechanic. You have two areas of specialization in this sixth career path, and the first is Fachrichtung Karosserien Instandhaltungstechnik, that is specialization in body work maintenance technology. The duration is 3.5 years, and it's also a recognized training occupation, that is anerkannte Ausbildung. What do? They are mainly into body work and manufacture of car bodies, vehicle components, and they also assemble and design them and maintain them. They also advise customers on special equipment and install electrical and electronic or mechatronic in the vehicle system. That is what they do, and they specialize in body construction of the car. Where do they find employment? They find employment in vehicle and commercial manufacturing companies, and also those are in supplies to automotive industry, and then those are working as large vehicle outfitters. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do. And if you don't have a certificate, you can as well go into this career path. If you want to go into it, you must have your Abschluss, your Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife, Fachhochschulreife, or your Mittelbildungsabschluss. If you have any of these 4 certificates, it's easier for you to go into it. And if you don't have a certificate as well, you can as well be admitted into this Ausbildung Beruf, that is your vocational training. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The second area of specialization in the sixth career path is Fachrichtung Karosserie und Fahrzeugbautechnik. That's specialization, body work and vehicle construction technology. The duration is 3.5 years. It's also a recognized occupation training, that is, it's anerkannte Ausbildung Beruf. What do? They carry out necessary maintenance work on cars. They advise customers about necessary replacement and conversion measures of car body care. They also equip vehicles with accessories and additional equipment and install special air conditioning or cooling systems. Where do they find employment? They find employment in body repair companies, car body repair companies, and in repair workshops. In fleet companies, they find work as well in employment in shipping companies with a workshop area at a vehicle and commercial manufacturers company. Do you need a certificate? You can go without a certificate as well, but if you have your Hauptschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife, Fachhochschulreife, and mittlere Bildungsabschluss, then you can as well go into this career. If you don't have a certificate as well, you can as well be accepted. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you.